Quality and coordination with precision creates world record in F1 pit stop. Watch out as Honda brings their F1 pit stop concept to Africa and Middle East markets by introducing the first ever express service to cut down service time from 8 hours to just 59 minutes. Welcome to Honda Express Service. Experience the fastest service with Honda's trained service personnel who maintain the highest quality standards. Based on our F1 pit stop concept, our trained service advisor and highly skilled technicians work with perfect coordination, performing all important checks in tandem to save on time. You will now be guided to the customer lounge where you can relax, as our team will commence working with Honda genuine parts. For your safety, brakes are inspected for wear and tear. Tyres are balanced and rotated to ensure smooth ride and road handling. All this are handled with Honda's advanced tools and equipments. Our advisor will show you the used parts of your car and will replace with genuine Honda spare parts. Finally, all service check details will be explained, payment processed as the vehicle goes through a complete wash and ready for you to drive out. As timing and repair quality are highly critical in F1, similarly, we value our customers' time and repair quality at Honda. Express Service, delivering your car in a record-breaking time of just 59 minutes.